If there are foods that remind me of my childhood, tuna noodle casserole is definitely in the top 5. And this is the no fuss, classic, easy weeknight version, okay, because it starts with cream of mushroom. To that, I'm adding in some fresh sauteed mushrooms. The recipe calls for canned. You can use whichever you want. Frozen peas, a little onion, some cheddar cheese. Mix all that together. And then I'm gonna add in my tuna and noodles. Doesn't get much easier than this dinner. Into the dish we go. Now for the topping, arguably the best part of the casserole. Now my mom did not do this, but this might be what is making this our top rated tuna noodle casserole. Gets topped with crushed chips and more cheese. 425 degrees for about 20 minutes because it's already room temperature, so just until it's bubbly and good. You know I gotta freshen it up with a little bit of parsley. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Get a little bit of everything. It's creamy, it's comforting. You know what this tastes like. Now go make it.